Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Mathematics, Grade 6, Chapter 1, Knowing or Numbers. Knowing or Numbers. The revision part, Knowing or Numbers. Introduction, Comparing numbers, ordering numbers, shifting digits and place values. Listen here. First one, what is meant by comparing numbers? Comparing numbers means the greatest or smallest number can be found comparing numbers of digits. If the numbers have the same number of digits, then we compare digits at higher places. Listen here. We compare greater than or more than, less than, equal to. For example, choose greater number between 7655 and 7450. Since the digits listen, the first one, second one, the thousand place is 7, 7. Here also 7, there also 7. So we will compare the next digits. The next digit is hundreds place. 6, 4. That means 6 greater than 4. 6 greater than 4. So thus we say that 7605 greater than 7450. The next one, ordering of numbers. So what is the ordering of numbers? Numbers can be ordered ascending or descending order by comparing them. Ascending order. Ascending order means the arrangement from smallest to greatest. Smallest to the greatest. Then descending order means descending order arrangement greatest to smallest. Shifting digits. Shifting digits means new numbers can be made shifting the digits of given number. Suppose the given number is 182, can be converted into 821, 281, 128, 812 and 218. Here 821 is the largest number and 128 is the smallest number. The next one, place value. It is an important area. It's a position system in which position of number is used to determine the value of number. So it is denote the position. It is denote the position of the given numbers. The place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. etc. For example, 2-digit number 48. 48. The 4 is a tens place, 8 is a ones place. Then brackets. Use of brackets. Calculations in brackets are to be done first. Always we first calculate the brackets terms. Listen here, the correct method is 6 plus 7 into 10. First we calculate 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 into 10. The next one, ascending order. Arrange the numbers in increasing order is called the ascending order. Increasing order, that means small to greatest. The next one, brackets. Brackets allow to avoid confusion in problems where we need to carry out more than one number operation. Descending order means arrange the numbers in descending order, greatest to smallest, big to smallest. Then estimation. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Estimation gives idea about quantities. Estimation is called the approximate value. Estimation is called the approximate value. Then reading and writing large numbers. To read and write large numbers, we use the concept of exponential numbers. Listen here, the given number is 2902. We can read first, we take the place values ones and hundreds, tens, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 2902. 2902. Next one, use of commas. It is very important. Commas helps at reading and writing the largest numbers. Listen here. Commas help us in reading and writing larger numbers. In Indian system of numeration, commas are used mark thousands, lakhs and crores. Thousands, lakhs and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds. Listen here. First comma comes after hundreds. Then second comma comes after 10,000s, and third comma is after lakhs, and then last one crore. International numeration system. International system of numeration is ones, hundreds, thousands and millions. 1 million is a thousands. 1 million is a thousand thousands. 1 million is a thousand thousands. Comma are used to mark on thousands and millions. Listen here. Comma is used thousands and millions. The next one, estimating. Estimation is a approximate value. We can estimate given number nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. That means the number 1, 2, 3, 4 comes. That is the nearest 0. 6, 7, 8, 9 comes. That is nearest 10. That is rounded up 10. The next one, estimation difference. Estimate of difference. Sum or difference. Estimate, sum or difference. First example is one. Estimate 5,143 plus 16,894. Rounded up to nearest thousands. We take nearest thousands of 5,143 is equal to 500. 5,143 nearest 1,000, 5,000. 60,894 nearest 1,000 means 17,000. 17,000. We add two numbers is equal to 22,000. It is an estimated sum. The next we go to the estimated difference. The first one 5,845, and second one minus 435. It's closer. The first one is 5,845 to 5,800. The next one 435 nearest to 400. We subtract two terms. 5,800 minus 400 is equal to 5,400. Next one, estimate products. Estimate products means round of each factors, then multiple the round of factors. The given examples 80 into 76. The rounded of 80 is equal to 20. The rounded of 76 is equal to 80. We multiply two times. 20 into 80 is equal to 1,100. And then example 2, estimate 64 into 103. We rounded up value of 64 is equal to 60. Rounded up 183 is equal to 200. So 6 2s are 12. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So 12,000. The next we go to exercise 1.1. Mathematics, class 6, chapter 1, knowing or numbers, exercise 1.1. Question number 2. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. The first sum is 73,75,307. Listen here, 73,75,307. 73,75,307. 73 lakhs. First we write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. Here 73 lakhs. So 73 lakhs. Then 75,000s. So thousands place 10,000 place 7, thousands place 5, and hundreds place 300. Here tens place is nothing, so 0, and then ones place is 7. So our answer is 73 lakhs 75,307. First use the commas, 100 place, so 307, 100 place. Next comma, second comma used 10,000 place, so 75,000. So we put the comma before the 75,000. Then question number 3, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. First we take the comma and then write names that is dependent on Indian system. Our first question is $75 lakhs 95,762. 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. First we write the place values. $8 crores 75 lakhs 5,000. Next one, 10,000 place 9, 1,000 place 5, 100 place 7, tens place 6, ones place 2. You want to suitable place, comma. First 100 place 762, and the next 1,000 place 10,000 place, this is 10,000. The next 10 lakhs place remaining 8. So 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. The next one, question number 4. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration. Listen here. First one, 78 million and 92. 78 million and 921,092. You want to International System of Numeration and then insert commas, write the names. Question number 4, you want International System. 78 millions 921,000 then 092. You take the first comma, hundreds place, and then second comma, 100,000 place. So 78 million 921,092. Next you write the names. 78 million 921,092. Next one, exercise 1.2. It's a word problem. Question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days was respectively 1,094, 1,812, 2,050 and 2,751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. Tickets sold on first day, on second day, third day, fourth day. So we add 4 days, first and second and third, fourth days. So our answer is 7,707. Total tickets sold on 4 days at the book exhibition is equal to 7,707. And second one, question number 2. Sagar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So how many more runs he need? So runs scored 6,980. So achieved score 10,000. Runs needed is equal to achieved score minus he taken score 6,980. We want to minus 10,000 minus 6,980 is equal to 3,020. Question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. On his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margins did the successful candidate the elections? Votes secured by successful candidate 5,77,500. Votes secured nearest rival is equal to 3,48,700. We want to difference between minus both of them. The successful candidate won the election margin of 2,28,800 votes. Question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale of for 2 weeks together? In which weeks was sale greater than and by how much? Answer. The first week 2,85,891 and then second week 4,768 rupees. Total sale first week and second week is equal to 6,86,659. Thus the sale for 2 weeks is equal to 6,86,659. So difference is second week minus first week is equal to 1,14,877. So second week is greater than the first week's. Question number 5. Find the difference between greatest and the least number that can be written using the 6 digits. Using the digits, the given numbers 62743. 62743. Each only once. The condition is not repetition. Let's from greatest and least numbers using the given numbers 62743 only once condition. So we have greatest number, that means big to small. Write the given numbers big to small 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Then least number means small to big 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We want the difference greatest minus smallest. The difference is 52,965. Question number 6. A machine on average manufactures 2,825 screws on a day. How many screws did produced in the month January 2006? Screws manufactured in one day is equal to 2,825, but days in January is equal to 31. So screws produced in 31 days. We want to screws produced in 31 days. We want to multiply the one day is equal to 2,825 into total number of days in January month 31. So our answer is 87,575. Question number 7. A merchant had 78,592 with her. She placed on the order of purchasing 40 radio sets at 1,200 each. How much money will remaining with her after purchase? Cost of one radio set is equal to 1,200. Cost of one radio is equal to 1,200. So we want to 40 radios. Cost of 40 radios is equal to 1,200 into 40 is equal to 48,000. Merchant had rupees 78,592 rupees. So after purchase he will have 78,592 minus 48,000. So our answer is 30,592 remaining amount. Question number 8. A student multiple 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much is answer greater than the correct answers? First, the wrong answer is 7,236 into 65. 7,200 36 into 65. It is a wrong answer, wrong calculation. Then minus the correct calculation is 7236 into 56 is equal to. We use the distributive law for subtractions. 7236, 7236 is a common. So we take the outside 7236 into 65 minus 56. That means A into B minus A into C. Distributive law, A into B minus A into C. Distributive property, A into B minus A into C is equal to A into subtraction part, so B minus C is a distributive property. So 7236 is a A into 65 is B minus 7236 A into C, 56 is C. We take the outside A into B minus C, A into B minus C. A is equal to 7236 into B value 65 minus 56 is equal to 9. So you want to multiply 2 times, the answer is 65,124. Question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remaining? Cloth required for one shirt is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Meter convert to the centimeter. 2 meter convert to the centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You want to 2 meter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. 200 plus 15, 215. Then 40 meter. 40 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We convert to the meter to centimeter. 40 into 100. So 4000 centimeter. You want to divide 4000 divide 250. 4000 is the total cloth. 215 is a we need cloth is equal to 18 into 130 divided by 215. That means therefore 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 meter cloth will be remaining. 130 centimeter cloth remaining. Question number 10. Medicine is packed in box, each weighing 4 kg and 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded a van which cannot carry out beyond 800 kg? We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore, given 4 kilogram, 500 grams is equal to, we convert to the gram, 4 into 1000 grams plus 500 grams. 4000 plus 500 is equal to 4500 grams and 800 kg is equal to 8 lakhs gram. 8 lakhs gram. Number of eggs can be loaded in van. We want to divide 8 lakhs divide 4500. 8 lakhs divide 4500 is equal to 177 into 3500 divided by 4500. The next one, exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. It is the estimation part. Estimation means approximate value, that means rounded value. Nearest 10, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. First one, estimate of each of the following using general rule. 730 plus 998. 730 plus 998. We rounded off the given numbers to hundreds. Numbers 730 rounds up to 700. 730 rounded off value 700. And then 998 rounds of value thousands. So we want to add two times. Estimated sum of 700 nearest 730 nearest 700. 998 nearest thousands. So 700 plus 1000 is equal to 1700. The next question number 2. Give me a rough estimate by rounding of nearest hundreds and also closer estimate by rounding of nearest tens. Here we find the nearest tens and nearest hundreds. The first sum is 439 plus 334 plus 4370. We have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts having. We round off the given numbers. First we find the hundreds. 439 rounded value is 400. 334 rounded off to 300. And 4370 rounds up to 4300. So we add 3 times. Estimated sum means plus 4000 and 300 and then 4300. 4300 is equal to 700 plus 4300 is equal to 5000. The next we go to the tens. First one 439, nearest 10 means 440. 34, rounded off value nearest 10 means 330. And then 4370, rounded sum 4320. Estimated sum means add 440 plus 330 plus 4320. So our estimated sum is 5090. Question number 3. Estimate the following products using general rule. 578 into 161. 578 into 161. We round off value nearest 100. So 578 nearest 600. That means nearest hundreds. And 161 nearest 200s. So 600 into 200. Estimate product. Product means multiplication. 600 into 200 is equal to 1,20,000. Next test part. Question number 1. Place value of 8 in 7 crore 92 lakhs 83,456 is option A 10 lakhs, option B 9 lakhs, option C 80,000, option D 80 lakhs. Question number 2. Which of the following is the correct arrangement in ascending order? First one 8,381 second one 5771, and then third one 5774, fourth one 5643. Option A 1342, option B 1432, option C 1423, option D 2314. Third one, the successor of 99,999 is option A 100, B 1000, C 10,000, D lakhs. Question number 4. Sunil and Ritu went to buy a sofa set. Many sofa sets were available there. The price 67,424, 67,045, 29,675, 28,979, 28,940. Will arrange the increasing order. Which of the following arrangement is correct arrangement? A, B, C, D. Which of the following is Hindu Arabic numeral? 10, 20, 30, 40. Question number 6. 3 into 10,000, 4 into 100, 4 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 given is the expanded form. The number is option A 30,440, option B 34,000, option C 34,400, option D 34,444. Question number 7. The number name of 4,97,508 is A 4,97,508, B 4,09,508, C 4,97,058, 4,09,500. Question number 8. A car covers 576 km in 18 hours. What is the speed of the car? What's the speed of the car? A 32 km per hour, B 31 km per hour, C 30 km per hour, D 29 km per hour. Question number 9. Which of the following is not correct? Roman numeral of Vx. Only 1 can be separated from 10. Only 1 can be separated from 5. Symbol V is never written before X. Symbol X can be separated from L, M and C only. Question number 10. How will the number 20,56,852 be reached as? Question number A 20 crore 5,06,852. Question B 20 crore 56,852. Question number C 20 lakhs 5,068,852. Question number D 20 lakhs 56,852. Thank you to all.